Hi, it's Monday morning because we're just coming off of Easter break, but I want to pretend like it's Sunday evening, and I just want to show you a little bit of how I would get ready to go through some plans or planning for my students, just so you get an idea of what it looks like, because I think that when we don't know what something or how something works, then we just are a little cautious or scared. So I'm going to start planning for my 10th graders. And the first thing I want to do is just tell the AI how to act. So act like a master teacher of 10th grade students who are preparing for the Keystone exam. We need several preparatory activities this week to get them ready, but I don't know where to start. So I'm telling them some context. So I'm telling it that I want it to act like a master teacher of 10th grade students. I told them that we're preparing for the Keystone exam and that we want prep activities. Now, because this is my AI, it knows that I'm an English teacher, but you would need to, if you're just starting out, tell it, this is the Keystone for literature. Okay. What would you suggest? Okay, so then I gave it a task, which is just to suggest. That is very, very, I don't know, limited, but I just want to show you, okay, so this is where we're starting. So we want to do, it's reminding me of what the Keystone does, as if, we don't know this. If you are somebody who's like, I don't need a review, I don't need to hear about it, you can say, like, skip all the background, skip all of the stuff that I don't need to know. I want you to go straight to the activities. You can do that. So here, day one, it suggests that we do a warm-up quiz, an overview of the tests. We can do sample Keystone passages. It even gives me the example. Now this, I wonder why this isn't clicking. That's a good, that's something that we can look into. Now it does know that I just finished Of Mice and Men, so that would be a really nice collaboration there. Ooh, a T chart, what it says versus infer. We actually did that with Of Mice and Men, so that's kind of cool. What is the theme of a passage? I don't know. I don't really like that prompt because that's not really a good constructed response. But I do like the extension. Okay. So basically what I do is I just kind of go through what the suggestions are. Then I take what I know about students, about pedagogy, about preparing them for tests, and then I just, figure out what works and what doesn't. So for example, I'd really like to dive into day three's suggestions. So you'll notice that I'm mistyping. It can read it. It's like an English teacher. It can read, any kid's writing, including mine. An accessible nonfiction. Can you find a good nonfiction article at the 10th grade reading level? And let's see. Ooh, yes. And yes, some TikTok articles. Well, I guess they're videos, so that doesn't make any sense. Maybe some TikTok references. And then what it's going to do is, as you can see, it's going to search, TikTok going away, Scholastic Scope, pre-reading, reading comprehension, etc. So is this going to do all your planning for you? Nope. Is it going to come up with some bad ideas? Sometimes, but just give it a whirl. See if it works.